Kingsley, the course instructor for brand identity design with Illustrator on nutrascope.com. Now let's talk about brand identity design. It's the process of creating visual elements like logos, colors, typography that represent a brand's image and personality. Think of it as the things of a brand that you see. Like for instance, I put on a t-shirt, and if you look at the t-shirt, it has a CivilSalt branding materials like the color. CivilSalt uses black, and you can see some other colors there. Okay, this course at nutrascope.com aims to equip learners with the fundamental principles and techniques of brand identity design, empowering them to create cohesive and memorable visual identities. Now, brand identity design is important in the fact that it plays a vital role in establishing a connection between your business and your target audience, because we know that colors have meaning. Color speaks. The typography you use have meaning. So creating a very strong brand identity for your brand will help to connect your clients and your target audience with you. That will enhance recognition and loyalty while also differentiating you from other competitors. Because once somebody sees black, orange, and the other colors, you start thinking of CivilSalt. Are we together? Now, the course is structured to address both theoretical knowledge and practical skills, progressing from the fundamentals, concept, and advanced design concepts through a mix of instructional and hands-on learning. What are the learning objectives on this course? Participants will learn to develop a comprehensive understanding of visual elements, color theory, typography, and the strategic role of branding in influencing customers. Now, this course is suitable for aspiring designers, entrepreneurs, and marketers who wish to enhance their brand design capabilities and build impactful visual identities. No special skill is required for you to get this course, though familiarity with design concepts and a passion for creativity will enrich the learning experience. Now, the tools we're going to be using primarily is Adobe Illustrator, because it provides advanced capabilities for creating scalable graphics and implementing intricate designs pivotal for modern brand identities. Additional tools we're going to be making use are Photoshop, InDesign, and other online resources within our community forums and others. Okay, participants will hone their skills in design thinking, composition, and brand strategy, resulting in the ability to develop impactful visual elements. This course is structured around practical projects, just as we said from the beginning that if you learn and don't practice, you haven't done anything. I mean, you are breaking part of the process of learning. You have to learn, practice, and implement. So this course is structured around practical projects that will emphasize the application of learned concepts, allowing participants to build a compelling portfolio. And just as we said, regular feedback sections and peer review processes will be implemented to guide learners, fostering continuous improvement and skill enhancement throughout the course. Why should you study brand identity design? A compelling brand identity design enhances recognition, credibility, and emotional connection with audiences, making it a foundation of effective marketing strategy. Now, the demand for skilled brand identity designers is rising as businesses recognize the importance of strong branding, leading to a promising career path in various sectors. Engaging in this course cultivates creativity, critical thinking skills, nurturing personal growth, and empowering individuals to express their unique identities through design. The advantage of learning this course on nutrascope.com is that you acquire valuable design skills that will enhance your portfolio and open doors for various professional opportunities, including freelancing and corporate employment. Well, students might encounter the problem of software proficiency. Maybe you are new to Adobe Illustrator, you are new to InDesign, you are new to Photoshop. But with constant practice and perseverance, you get to know it better. You have to understand also that mastery takes time. Putting in effort is very important. Mastery comes with repetition. The more you practice what you have learned, the more you master it. Just like the CEO said, the more you practice, do more projects, the more you keep it. What are the practical applications of brand identity design? Developing a cohesive brand identity for startups or repositioning existing brands requires a strategic approach that seamlessly integrates visual elements and values. You can apply brand identity design in all industries, from fashion to technology. Every sector benefits from effective branding. Designers can tailor their skills to meet unique industry needs and consumer preferences. You could decide that, okay, I want to be a brand identity designer for fashion brands. I want to be a brand identity designer for tech brands. Right? You could decide. Now, numerous successful companies serve as a case study illustrating the transformative power of strong brand identity in driving business success. We have, for example, Nutrascope, CivilSalt. If you look at their website, you will see consistency in the color usage, consistency in the fonts, and the imagery and the illustration used on those platforms. That is what visual branding is all about. Now let's talk about the money part of brand identity design. You can be a freelance, you can decide, just as the CEO said, before taking this course, you need to set your target of what you want to do with the course after you must have finished the learning process. You could decide to become a freelancer, maybe on Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer. Or you might decide to take on remote jobs to work from your room. Or you can decide to start your own design agency. And it will also give you an opportunity to collaborate with others. Now, the additional skills you will need that will really greatly help you in your brand identity design journey is to consider courses in UX design, digital marketing, illustration to broaden your skill set and increase your marketing abilities in various domains. And all these courses are also available on nutrascope.com.